Today on World Famous Foods, we're doing a quick and easy seafood medley recipe. Let's cook. Alright, so we got some butter here. Gonna add our onions. Saute this for a couple of minutes. Okay, now we're gonna add our chopped garlic. Gonna add some butter. Oh yeah, pretty simple recipe, isn't it? You know what? Let's add some more butter. Already got that really good aroma. Okay, we want a little heat to this, so we're gonna add a little bit of this Korean hot pepper paste. You guys see me use this in some recipes before. Let that melt down there. Now we're gonna add our seafood medley. Well, I guess you can call it our mixed seafood. See, look at that. Combination of shrimp, mussels, all the other stuff in there, right? Then, I'm gonna add a little bit of Sazon. Gonna let this cook for a couple of minutes. And also add a little bit of water. Let this continue boiling a couple more minutes. Alright, so we had this cooking for like about another 10 or so minutes. Added some more of that red pepper paste. So now we're done. It's time to plate. See, look at this. It's time to plate this. Be right back. Alright folks, here's our finished product. Some white rice. World Famous Foods seafood medley. Look at that.